I used 100K in 100 days framework intentionally, and for 6 reasons. Mainly the first one, which is I have ADHD, so I need stretch goals in order for me to be motivated. 2, my clients also have ADHD, so they need stretch goals to be motivated as well. So it takes our sessions to the next level. 3, I recommend this for anyone, even if you just started your business, because setting that 6-figure goal will flip the switch within your identity, so you start to see yourself as a 6-figure entrepreneur, right? And 4, when you see yourself as the 6-figure entrepreneur, you start to create these habits of this entrepreneur, which is helping you seek solutions to hit 6 figures versus obstacles. And then 5, the habits that you're creating within your business are working already at a higher level, so you're able to scale faster. You won't have this crazy amount of growing pains because you didn't set up the habits and systems to hit 6 figures. And then now that you're at this level, finally, 6, your nervous system has time to get comfortable with this level of success, so you're less likely to sabotage during your journey or when you hit 100K.